So this video will teach you how to use the AX-68T controller to program. In the first page, we click here is to program the steps of the bending. 这几步是什么? This is for the number of the steps. Now it's 4 steps. This is for 2 steps. If we use 2 steps, we just add 1. Now it's for 2 steps. And here, this one is for the length of the sheet. This for the thickness of the sheet. This for the numbers of the bending. And here is to choose the material. We can choose the actual material used here. And this is for the punch. We can choose punch here. This is for the lower die. And this is for the back gate distance. Here is for the compensation. This is for the bending angle. You can just enter the angle you want here. For example, we bend a 90 degree, we can just enter 90 here. And here is for the compensation. This is the parameters of Y1 and Y2. This is the parameters of the cylinders, grating roller data. And here is for the compensation. For example, now for Y1, we're bending a 91. We have to reduce 1 here. If now we're bending for Y1, we're bending 89. We need to add 1 here. And the Y2 is same. If the bending angle is bigger than the enter angle, we have to reduce the, for example, now is the Y2 is 92. We have to reduce 2 here. And for example, the Y2 is now 88. We have to add 2 here to make sure it's go to 90 degree. And this is for the back gate distance. It has two measure way for the inner and external. So if you choose the inner, you have to measure the sheet from inside the distance. We have to reduce the thickness of the sheet. And this is the distance you can just enter here. And here also has a compensation for the X distance. For example, now you enter. This is the speed, the parameters of X axis, and this is the compensation. For example, now you enter 51, but the actual is 50, so you need to add 1 here. If the actual is 52, you have to reduce 1 here. And this is the R axis. And this is the opening height. The maximum is 120. You can program here. And this is the speed change point, noded change. And this is the bending pressure holding time. If you bend a very thick sheet, we have to change the number bigger. If we bend a very thick sheet, we'd better to change 2. For thin plate, just 0.5 is okay. And this speed, no need to change. This is the compensation for this mechanical compensation for the mechanical coring table. The number is automatically calculated by the system. The compensation data almost no need to change. Just if you use very long time, maybe you need to do some fine tuning. And here is for more functions. The first frame no need to change, and the distance is for the back stopper return distance. For some workpiece, it's for this back stopper return distance. For some workpiece maybe need a return distance, maybe some workpiece no need. So this is according to your workpiece. And the time is to setting the return, the back stopper return time. You can add it here. And this is for the R-axis height. We can program here. And after we program wheel, we can go to the guide. So we can go to this 3D, and it will has the bending simulation. If check the bending simulation is no problem, we can do the actual bending. And we can also use the graphic program directly. You can enter all the parameters of your workpiece. Here 1, 0. And the bending angle 90 degree. And this length. So you can also directly program here in the graphic page. And after you program, you can go to next and the next. And it also has a bending simulation. And you can also click the 3D simulation and check everything is well. You can go to the bend.